when given a question like this, it's ideal to draw a sketch to see what's going on. So XY axis drawn. 3, 5, cross at 3, say 5, point there. -2, 10, up there. And then if I join up from there to there, that we're told is A, that we're told is B, and we've got to work out that length. Well, to work out that length, if I draw a line across there and I draw a line up there, you can see I create a right angle triangle. From -2 to 3 it's 5 across, from the 5 up to the 10 is 5 up. And with a right angle triangle with two sides given, the third side must be using Pythagoras. So we got 5 squared add 5 squared, which calculator or otherwise comes out to be 50. So therefore AB works out to be the square root of 50, which in decimal form, square root of 50 is 7.07. Just 2 decimal places.